Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do L cuts and J cuts inside of Davinci Resolve. So you're going to learn how to position your footage, how to link and unlink your footage, and how to get them to flow seamlessly together in the J cut and L cut format. So let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, so here we are in Davinci Resolve. I've got two clips in the timeline. They're pretty contrasting. As you can see, this one is just a nice little mountain stream type deal, or forest stream, not a mountain. And then this one, bang! Smashing wave coming up over, I don't know what that's called, but it breaks waves. So, relaxing stream, exciting wave. First things first, what you're going to want to do is make sure that your clips are unlinked. So as you can see, if I cut that right there, it's going to cause a cut in both the audio and the video. That's not what we want for this. So we're going to select our clip here, and we're going to hit Control-Alt-L. When we do that, it's going to make it so that we can affect these clips individually and they don't have to be together. So we're going to do that for both of our clips. Control-Alt-L, so that we can select them individually. First thing, we're going to do a J cut, and a J cut is shaped like a J. So we get rid of some of our footage here, delete that, and then we're going to get rid of that much of our audio. So the way I like to do this, at least in DaVinci, is to take these, line that up there, and then get rid of this audio like that, so that our clips butt up and our audio overlaps here. So you can see that our audio for our second clip here is going to start before this clip is actually over, making this a J shape, because if we look at it like this clip is shaped like a J here. That's what makes it a J cut. So we are going to throw in some fades. We're going to cross dissolve our footage. And then we're going to go into our audio transitions, and we're going to crossfade our audio here. So, we're going to watch this and see how it looks. We're actually going to turn this down first, just so it doesn't blow you guys away. Whoa, look. Bang! That's so awesome! So as you can see there, the audio starts before this clip, and it leads it into it, and it gives it a nice transition. Even if we get rid of that crossfade there, and then watch it back again. Whoa, look. Bang! It makes a more smooth transition there than there would have been if it's just a hard cut. Now we go the other way with it. We're going to just undo a whole bunch. We're going to get all of our clips back in order, and then we're going to do an L cut, and an L cut is shaped like an L. So that's going to be this clip getting cut right here. We're going to delete that, and then we're going to go ahead and do our same little draggy maneuver where we bring it up so that, turn on snapping with N. We'll drag it up so that they meet, and then we'll get rid of this part of the audio. Oops. Get rid of this part of the audio, and then we'll go ahead and drag these back down so everything is flush. Now I do like to throw cross dissolves in on these just because I think they make it look better and they add to the effect. So let's watch this L cut. Look. Bang! So as you can see there, the audio continues along after the clip has ended. We can even move that over a little bit more. So the audio continues to about here inside of this, and then it gets into the audio from the wave clip. Look. Bang! So that's an L cut, and what we saw before was a J cut. It's pretty simple, but it really can add a lot to your edits, and it makes them look all that much more spicy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, I post every Monday and Wednesday, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you guys next week, and I hope you come away from this learning a little bit more about editing.